Everybody, Standell, President, Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. Hey, here we are on the verge of the next weekend is our January 17th, our Ultimate Getaway 50th Birthday Bash, kicking off 50 years of FSC and coincidentally 50 years of the CCA. So if you're going to get on this, luncheon, you got to do it by this Tuesday. By the time you see this will be the last day to jump on board. After that, we're closing it, and then everybody's going to be there. Is going to have a great time, eat well, and just going to be a blast. A couple things coming up on the 15th is the FSC ZSCCA monthly luncheon, and then the 17th, of course, is our birthday bash. The 21st is our lunch and learn with Robert Kirkaran. That's just going to be a really cool thing. It's going to happen up in Northport, noon to 2 o'clock. Lunch and learn is something new for us. It's a nutritional talk, so you might want to just check us out. John Schneider's putting that on, and we'll see how that goes. February 5th is Cars on 5th, the Motorsports Film Festival. We will have a little bit more as we get closer to that. The 13th of February is the Revs, our annual tour of the Revs Institute. So jump on that one. That was always fun. Always new cars coming in, and I just love to see something like that. And then the 19th is the North-South up in Appalachia, Florida. Chris Schroeder is putting that all together, and man, that's filling up fast. So I think there's only a few rooms left in some of the lodgings. So if you're going to get on there, you got to get on there quick. More to come on the, I think the November cruise is already posted, and we're in the final throes of closing the October 5.0 drive. So if you think you're going to get on that, you better get in, because we're going to close it soon. So if you're going to be a number in that number, jump in that one real quick. And there's just a ton of things going on. Oh, by the way, coming up on the first weekend, the 7th of February, is our Cars and Coffee up in Sarasota. And this is also going to be the 2002 Forever group is going to join us there, launch from there, and then they're going to do a 2002 Forever get together at Ken Collada's home. Lee Perot is the RSVP on that, and I know more to come. Lee's sending out emails, so if you plan to come, make sure you RSVP to Lee Perot. And our 2002 group is putting together that little outing, but they're going to launch it from our Cars and Coffee in Sarasota on that Tuesday. Over my shoulder is my 550, and we just did a paint correction on the nose, on the hood, and it turned out better than I really thought it was going to as a rookie. Sort of made it look pretty good. It's probably not the final, but it's better than buying a new hood and a paint job, so I'm really happy with that. And get ready to do the front bumper, and if I can't get that out, then a new bumper will be on the way. New headlights are coming in this week, new running lights are in, and new side marker lights. One came in, the other one's coming in Monday. I don't know why they split them up, but anyhow, all new bright eyes for the 550 Dinan, and looking forward to getting it back on the show tour. So just a lot of fun. You know, we mess with these things and we love them. Thank you for everybody that sent me a picture of their garage flooring, and I think we've come down to it. We've come down to 2 vendors, and that's Swiss, and we've come in with Race Deck. So it's between those 2 vendors right now. We're looking, shopping, and I think I can go ahead and tell you this. Kimberly has given me a green light for a black floor with a red framing inside, and I think it'll match our multiple Craftsman red and black cabinets, and looking forward to seeing what that's going to do. Some more really cool goodies that we're doing for the lighting inside the garage once we get finished, and when we get all that through, we'll show you pictures as we go in process. We got to pull all this stuff out and make that happen. I'll show you what we've done on one side, on both sides. Now we put glass up. I don't know if you can see it. The sun's blinding my eyes. But in the background, we put sort of faux glass walls inside to make it brighter and look larger. So it's one of those visual tricks that you do to make that work. And so we're sort of excited about what we're going to come up with in our own little space here. So we'll keep you tuned in on that. Until then, hope to see you next Saturday, the 17th, at the Cars at the birthday bash. There will be cake. There will be plenty of cake, but there'll be steak and potatoes and all that other good kind of stuff, and some fun music, car show, trophies, all that kind of stuff. So looking forward to it. 26 is just going to be an amazing year for the car club and for our membership. So come on out and join us, and we'll see you just as soon as we can see you. Thank you now. Bye. Happy motoring.